prediction, premonition. If you were asking me, Stevie Wonder superstition. Well, all along there was nothing there, that apparition. And they be acting like it's competition, huh? With your horoscopes, quiz your quotes, looking up in your telescopes. All these other people try to float your boats. I'm stomping last like it's a cockroach, cockroach. You may think it's possibility, we are running away from certainty. Maybe it's just me, but personally my personality doesn't seem to be my birth date or birth month, birth year. I fear this may be controversial, so I'll try to jump the hurdle. Instead of looking at people for truth, you'll find Jesus is the proof. Worrying what people think is no longer a factor. Isn't what I'm after, going to be a pastor. Worrying what people think is no longer a factor. No longer a factor, no longer a factor. So many Christians who give up because it gets too hard, barred in their single cell, which is a living hell to them. Ask them what will my friend don't end in this abyss of loneliness. It will consist of death. There's nothing left, the flesh decays, rights away and breaks. You made mistakes, so you maintain the distance, refrain forgiveness. I just don't get this anymore. What more can he do? You can be made new. The kingdom is in view, it's off in the horizon, providing the encouragement needed for every riding. You'll find me fighting, liking the chances we're having, grabbing every opportunity to talk about the training. Worrying what people think is no longer a factor. Isn't what I'm after, going to be a pastor. Worrying what people think is no longer a factor. No longer a factor, no longer a factor. I'll tell you one thing, I'm more than a hip. Really hard to build up, way too quick to dismantle. Time to drop all of the weight like it's an anvil on my body, on that wily coyote. Super introverted, yeah, I feel so lonely, like nobody knows me. Some people say they care, that come off coldly. That's a bunch of baloney, you do not even know me. I was always really bitter, colder than the winter when I'm up in Minnesota, trying to reach my quota for my glasses, moving slower than molasses where the glasses tend to fog. It's God taught me to be content in every season. Worrying what people think is no longer a factor. Isn't what I'm after, going to be a pastor. Worrying what people think is no longer a factor. No longer a factor, no longer a factor. Worrying what people think is no longer a factor. Isn't what I'm after, going to be a pastor. Worrying what people think is no longer a factor. No longer a factor, no longer a factor. No longer a factor. No longer a factor. Please don't get me wrong when I say that I'm not worried about what people think about me. It's not that I don't care about people, that's not it at all. It's just my perception has changed. You see, I'm no longer looking to the world for love or for affirmation. That's just not who I am anymore. Easiest way I can explain it is that I've accepted Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And some people don't get that. They're like, what does that mean? What does that look like? And the Bible explains it really straightforward in Romans 10:9. It says, if you declare with your mouth Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead, you will be saved. Worrying what people think is no longer a factor. Isn't what I'm after, going to be a pastor. Worrying what people think is no longer a factor. No longer a factor, no longer a factor. Worrying what people think is no longer